YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is metals and non-metals chemistry unit test paper number 5. In the previous video, we have answered for unit test paper number 4. Let us answer now for unit test paper number 5. So the first question of unit test paper number 5 is, the most abundant metal in the earth crust is. Among these four options, the right option is option B, aluminium. So first question, option B, aluminium. Then let us move for the second question. So aluminium oxide, when reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms salt and water. So amphoteric oxide, aluminium oxide. So what will be the name of the salt? Il salt ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, so equation balance Al2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2NaAlO2. So this is called as a sodium aluminate. So for the second question, the right option is option C, 2NaAlO2. Sodium aluminate. Now let us move for question number question number 3. Why ionic compound do not conduct electricity at solid state? So because there is no movement of ions. So ion-ಗಳ movement ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So ಅದರಿಂದ it will not conduct electricity at solid state. Now let us move for the next question. What are ores? So ores are the minerals. Ores are the minerals from which metals can be extracted. Profitably. Now let us move for third main question number 5. So third main question number 5 is, iron oxide can be reduced by using carbon but not aluminum oxide. Why? Because iron is less reactive than carbon. Therefore iron oxide reduces, but aluminium is more reactive than carbon. Therefore aluminium oxide will not get reduced. So this is the answer for question number 5. Now let us move for question number 6. Give 2 examples for corrosion. So let us give 2 examples for corrosion. Now let us answer question number 6. Example for corrosion. Example 1. Copper articles becomes green when exposed to atmosphere, because copper reacts with carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. To form copper carbonate, which is green in color. Then example 2. Silver articles become black when exposed to atmosphere because silver reacts with sulfur present in atmosphere to form silver sulfide. Next, let us move for question number 7. This is a repeated question. Who is called as electropositive and why? So metals are called electropositive. So our answer is metals are called electropositive because metals have the tendency to lose electrons. Therefore, metals are electropositive. Let us move for the next question. So let us move for 8th question. Explain how to extract zinc from zinc carbonate. So let us see how to extract zinc from zinc carbonate. So step number 1. Concentration of ore. So concentration of ore in the sense removal of ganj particles. Then step number 2. So in the step number 2, heating of ore in absence of oxygen, that is calcination. In absence of oxygen to convert carbonate ore into oxide ore. So that is ZnCO3, that is we are doing calcination, that is heating in absence of oxygen to get ZnO plus CO2. Carbonate ore is converted into oxide ore. Then step number 3, by using reducing agent like carbon, oxide ore is converted into crude metal, which is not 100% pure. So ZnO plus C give rise to Zn plus CO. So here zinc, what we got, it is not 100% pure. To get 100% pure, we have to go for purification. So like this, we are getting zinc from zinc carbonate. Now let us move for question number 9. So in the question number 9, A, B and C are the 3 elements which undergo chemical reaction according to the following equation. So these are the 3 equations. So by looking these 3 equations, we have to answer which element is most reactive, which element is least reactive, what is the type of reaction listed above ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಎ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ. ಬಿ ಏನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಸಿನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ. ಮೂರನೇ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಎ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸಿ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್. ದೆನ್ ಸಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 3 ಸಿ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೊ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಿಗೂ ಲೆಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಗೂ ಲೆಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬಿ, ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ above? The type of reaction listed above is called displacement reaction. So let us answer one by one now. Among three elements, the first question answer B is the most reactive element. Then second question ge barana, which element is the least reactive? So C is the least reactive. Next third question barana, what is the type of reaction listed above? It is a displacement reaction. It is a displacement reaction. So like this we have to answer these questions. And let us move for last and 10th question. Write a neat label diagram of electrolytic refining of copper. So this is the last question. By this we have successfully answered all the questions related to unit test paper number 5. In the next video we are going to answer for unit test paper number 6. Thanks for everyone for watching my YouTube channel. Still those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And thanks for everyone who is supporting my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much.